In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a coming soon page on Squarespace. Whether you're gearing up for a new brand launch or redesigning your existing site, setting up a coming soon page can be a great first step. Let's dive into the process and make sure your audience is excited for what's to come. Start by navigating to your Squarespace homepage. If you're already logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Look for the section where you can manage your pages. It's usually labeled something intuitive like Pages on the left sidebar. In this area, you should see an Add button. Clicking this is your gateway to starting a new page on your website. It's exciting to press that button and envision the fresh content you're about to create. Next, from the options that pop up, select Blank Page. This choice will give you complete freedom to design from scratch and customize your coming soon page to match your branding perfectly. Now, it's time to give your page a name. You'll want something straightforward like Coming Soon Page, which clearly communicates the page's purpose. With your new page created, it's time to click Edit. This will open up the editing interface, allowing you to start shaping its content and layout. As you're in the editor, look for the Add Section button. Once clicked, choose the option to add a blank section. This provides a canvas perfect for adding elements like text or images to your page. All right, here we have the blank section ready. We're now going to click on Add Block. From the selection of blocks, choose the Text block. This block is where you'll write the words that'll face your visitors. As you click to edit this text block, type in the captivating message, Coming Soon. Keep it clear and inviting. A simple phrase like that piques interest and builds anticipation. Once your message is set, remember to save your work by clicking Save. It's a crucial action so you don't lose any of your creative efforts. After saving, you've got a few more steps. Head over to the System Pages section of Squarespace. System Pages help you manage things like the locked screen and Coming Soon pages. In the System Pages area, look for Lock Screen. Click there, and you'll find an option to change the layout for how you want the lock screen to appear when people visit your site. Choose the Change Layout option to explore different styles that best fit your brand. Squarespace offers several layouts, so pick one that resonates with your aesthetic. Finally, don't forget to click on Save again to lock in any changes you've made. And there you have it, a fully configured Coming Soon page that anyone visiting your site will see and get excited about your upcoming launch. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you feel empowered to experiment with designs on Squarespace. Stay creative